This video will share with you the stay experience at this Fairmont in this diamond status. We are going to show you the lounge and the room. Let's go to the concierge to tell them you want to check in the club lounge. And here is a lobby. That's a regular check-in counter, and as a diamond member, we can go to the club lounge. We call it Gold Lounge. In this video, I'll show you the lounge and then the room. I think I'm not going to show you the swimming pool and the gym. You can see that in the past video, maybe a little bit of video of the breakfast. This is the club lounge. It's quite beautiful, quite cozy. Never really been here before. So it's an all-day refreshment right over here. It's a little bit like a Swiss hotel design. Oh, I quite like these features. It's quite nice. It's weird that there's not much of a guest right over here. There's only one staff here. I love this lounge. So here's the toilet, and then they actually have this hot food area. It looks very good. I think I can have my breakfast here tomorrow. Some pastry for all-day refreshment. Croissant looks good. Oh, this one looks good. Okay, I'm gonna keep it for Sean. Got the room quite fast, but like it's a stingy hotel that upgraded me to this Marina Bay view, which is not much different. So I'm here for 2 nights. Lovely that the breakfast here is like 7 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. And then I can go to Prego or the Asia Cafe for breakfast as well. This is our room, 2333. Let me show you how it looks like. The first impression is very dark. So this is the upgraded to Marina Bay view room. It's having a construction now, but I believe that if you want to catch a good fireworks, still okay. And the soundproof doesn't sound good. I can hear the noise. And here is the room. It's basic, I will say, very basic. On the bed side, there is a 3-pin plug right over here, and then this way, this side will have a clock with this wireless charging and 2 USB port. The TV is not a smart TV, but they provide 1 universal power plug here, 2 USB port right over here. Temporary interrupted hotel in so there's no telephone service here. It's fine. They can knock the door. Dress to impress. What? Oh, I think that's laundry. Oh, quite smooth. And the welcome letter. The Ziqi, she already mentioned this at the lounge, and then but she never passed the welcome letter to me. But it's already inside the room. There is a very weird corner right over here. Like a punishment corner. Then drinking water. You can have a cold water and hot water. 6 capsules from Nespresso. And then fully stocked fridge. I believe there's a sensor. So whichever you So as long as you remove that, it will be chargeable. What is this for? Oh, for cold water, you have to press this one. So that's a switch for the drinking water. Very dark. Okay, hair dryer looks huge. I like the huge one. Oh, beautiful Fairmont bedroom slipper. Shoe horn, shoe brush. Steam. Oh, so you have the hair dryer, ironing, and a steamer. Interesting. The huge safe, and the bathrobe, yoga mat, umbrella, paper bag, and okay, here is a very bad design. To get out the ironing board, very stupid design. Then here's the bathroom. I like the brightness of the bathroom, but there's no bidet here. They're using the Lilaboo. Yeah, this one. I'm not sure if that smells nice. Let me have a smell. I think last time they're using the rose one is better. And what is this? Oh, mouthwash, very nice. So shaving kit, dental kit, comb, nail care kit, vanity kit, shower cap, a real purple orchid. When I was a florist, this is always the orchid for the bathroom. And here's the bathtub, extra, what I call bathrobe. It's quite weird design, like it's very tiny. Okay, yep. I will show you the happy hour later. Okay, let's do the cleaner's test with the black light. So far, it's very clean. Nice. Let's see the sofa. Some stain right over here. Oh, it's very clean. Very good. Came back from lunch, saw this peach as a welcome gift. Not what I like. Let me show you how annoying this switch is. Like nothing, so slow, and like this. So basically each switch have like 2 or 3 function, so it takes some time to react. It's very annoying. I am going to check out now. It is really not a comfortable stay right over here. I hate this gold tower. I stay in the north tower, which is a regular room. Is fine, but this gold tower, this blanket is way too thick. The air conditioning, they had to set to those like green friendly temperature, 21 degree, but it's really warm. I have asked the engineer, they come and test, and then they say yes, actually the room is very warm, so they give me the extra fans right over there. It's still not working, so they have set the air conditioning to 17 degree. It's fine without the blanket, but this blanket is really annoying. It's really stuffy and warm when I put on the blanket, so I have to turn on the fans and my extra fan with humidifier to cool myself down. Then the AC, the aircon, will like shut down midnight. It will turn up warm again. I think there has a sensor or something that when they don't detect a movement, it will just turn into the green mode again. So like I could not sleep. I would flip until 7 in the morning. Then I fell asleep for about 3 hours. Then I rushed out for breakfast. And I called to ask for late checkout they offered me 30 minutes for late checkout. I was like, high occupancy, then why don't you tell me during the check-in? You just didn't tell me it's about the late checkout. I usually, if you have longer stay, two nights and above, they will remind you to ask for late checkout on the day or the day before. But like, the lady did not tell me about the late checkout high occupancy, so they offered me 30 minutes. I woke up 10 and then like said that, oh yeah, so I called around 10. I was like, yeah, you have to check out at 11:30. It's like, what a stingy hotel. Like, I got the gold room upgraded to this Marina Bay view, which is like a worse upgrade, which the soundproof is very bad. You will basically hear the noise from the street, especially when some idiots like riding or driving like in their super bike or super car, making a lot of noise. It's just very noisy. And overall, the stay that the staff are very nice. Like staff in the lounge, staff in Prego is my favorite. They are amazing. Then the facility wise, the gym is good. I have a good exercise there all the time. You have to check out my previous video. Then, but I just really don't like this room. It's really dark. The switches are very stupid, like multi-function per button, and then it's like really slow to react every time you press. Then I hate that the hair dryer, there's no way for you to plug the hair dryer. I have to plug it right in this awkward position. It's far away from the bathroom, so which means that after you shower with wet hair, if you have to come up to somewhere to dry your hair, is a really stupid thing. First impression, like wow, the room is like very nice, nicely designed, like everything dark. But when get into the evening, because every time you go out, the curtain will close, and then everything, the light will close, and it will just on a very dim light. When I come back, it's just very dark. It's really uncomfortable. It's like you will just like knock on your thing. Just make sure you wear the covered shoe when you're walking around when you come in. So overall, I really don't recommend to stay in the gold tower, a gold room, which is a south tower. If they will upgrade you to a south tower, just tell them that give me the one in the north tower or better room, like suite room or better. It's really bad. Like, it's the most horrible room that I will ever have. And oh yeah, so there is a drinking dispenser. Very cool that you have a hot water and cold water function. When you switch on that, it have a humming sound, so it's also not a very good feature. I do know that some of the water dispenser, they have this function, but it will never have a humming sound like that. And the dispensing water is really slow. No, I'm not going to pay like $400+ a night to stay in this gold room. So I will strongly recommend you, or maybe the hotel, the stupid hotel, change this super thick blanket and make the room brighter. Yeah, bye bye.